Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your iPhone not responding to touch. Obviously mine does, but if it doesn't, you're going to press volume up once, volume down once, and you're going to press the power button for a long time until it turns off. Because you can't like slide the power up button, you're going to do this. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let me just turn on the screen so you can see it. Okay, I think my phone just went off, but you're going to again volume up, volume down, and you're going to press the power button. Yeah, it turned off because I pressed it. But that is pretty much it. Hopefully when your phone is on, you'll be able to use the touch screen. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.